Principal, respected sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, we are the students of class 12A and B are performing a skit on gratitude.
Gratitude means being thankful for everything we have in our lives, whether big or small. In our busy lives, we often forget to appreciate the people who care for us, the opportunities we get, and even the simple joy that make us smile. Gratitude is not just about saying thank you, but also about feeling it from the heart. It helps us to stay positive, build strong relationships, and make our life happier and more meaningful. ग्रेटिट्यूड को सरल शब्दों में कृतज्ञ होना या आभारी होना कहते हैं। आप इस प्रस्तुति में देखेंगे कि एक व्यक्ति जो बहुत अमीर है वह धन ऐश्वर्य पाकर भी खुश नहीं है, क्योंकि उसके हृदय में किसी के भी प्रति आभार नहीं है, परंतु एक साधारण व्यक्ति जो अपना हुनर दिखाकर भिक्षा मांग रहा है वह प्रत्येक के प्रति आभार व्यक्त कर रहा है, इसीलिए वह खुश है।
Mark, come on. This is concrete. I'm not moving this the wrong direction. Mark, no. I know you'll regret this if you pass on this deal. Mark. Damn. Thanks.
You okay, man? Am I okay? Do I look okay? Can I help? How can you possibly help me? Thank you. It's just $20. Just $20. Because of that person, I get to eat tonight. Clearly don't know the value of money. I do.
We can either be grateful for what we have or hateful for what we don't. We can either appreciate the life we've been given or be angry at the life that was taken from us. Everybody gets a heart, everybody gets a soul, everybody gets a mind. Let them know we can be smart, we can be kind, we can be loving by giving and loving all the time. So on the days when it's feeling tough and it seems like you don't have enough, well, let's be thankful for our friends and family and grateful. Everything that we have today. Let's be generous to anyone who has less than us. It's good to be compassionate ever since the day you were born. Yeah, got a lot to be thankful for.
It's one of the greatest values we can practice. It teaches us to appreciate every blessing and every helping hand in our lives. First of all, we express our heartfelt gratitude to Almighty God for His countless blessings. We sincerely thank our respected principal sister for her constant support and encouragement. Our heartfelt gratitude also goes to our in-charge teachers, Mughal sir and Tripathi ma'am, for their guidance and dedication in making this skit possible. We also thank all our teachers and everyone present here for their valuable support and encouragement. With this, we conclude our program.